Coral destroyed by storms and disease are being repaired and restored by dedicated divers at Buddy Dive Resort. Using healthy coral pruned from growing samples, biologists are creating artificial reefs. Each piece is carefully tied and prepared to be hung like an ornament on a Christmas tree. Volunteer divers are trained to become part of the team repairing the coral. One day, it is hoped, the coral will grow together around the metal structure, which will eventually rust away. And these underwater trees will have grown into healthy coral beds.